Hello, my name is Cody, and I am with the University of Nevada, Reno Extension Office in 4-H, Clark County. Today, on today's Mojave Minute Outdoor STEM video, we're going to talk about plants. We're out here at Red Rock Canyon National Conservation Area, just west of Las Vegas. And out here, you get a chance to see all kinds of different plants that grow. Plants in the Mojave Desert have to have four things. Number one is they've got to be able to withstand extreme temperatures. In the summertime, it gets very hot, over 100 degrees. In the wintertime, it can get very cold, below 30 degrees. So these plants have to be tough and able to survive. Secondly, they've also got to be smart with their water sources. Out here at Red Rock Canyon, there's usually about 6 to 8 inches of precipitation each year. So not a whole lot of water to work with. So plants need to be able to use that water efficiently and protect it. Third, they've got to protect themselves from other plants and predators. A lot of the animals out here are looking for something green to eat. So you'll notice if you ever hike around in the desert, a lot of plants have thorns or spikes as a way to try to make sure that animals aren't eating them. And then last, these plants have to be able to grow in soils that don't have a lot of nutrients or have a lot of acidity to them. So these plants need to be able to withstand the poor soil conditions and thrive. What I've got next to me is probably the most iconic plant in the Mojave Desert. This is called the Joshua tree. Joshua trees are yuccas, a type of yucca that grows, and they're not actually a tree. If you were to chop into this one, you would see it wouldn't have wooden rings like you'd associate with the tree. Joshua trees are very slow growing. They can grow maybe in a good year, an inch. So when you see a tree that's tall like this one's easily over 8 feet. We're looking at a tree that's decades old, maybe even 100 years old. So very slow growing, tall growing trees. They've got these spines up top. These are the leaves, and that's where the plant catches sunlight and produces its energy. And if you ever come out in the springtime and you drive through the Mojave Desert, you might actually get a chance to see some of the white flowers that pop up on top. Those flowers are pollinated by moths, and then the Joshua tree has little seed pods that drop to the ground, and little mice and rats will disperse them across the Mojave Desert. So the Joshua tree, one of my favorite plants, is an iconic staple of the Mojave Desert. Thank you so much for tuning in for this week's Mojave Minute. And do you have a favorite plant? If you do, let us know in the comments section. Thank you so much and take care.